Well, here we have a very colourful and good looking alarm clock made in Germany, and it has a lovely story. It was given to me to look at by a friend, Christine, at the church, and it had a loose mounting, and so I've taken it apart and put it back together again, given it an oil, and it's now ticking away nicely. Lovely story though. She was out shopping with her now late husband, and they saw this in the shop, and she obviously liked it, and a while later when she was back around the shops herself, she noticed it had gone. Very upset, but unbeknown to her, her husband had bought it for her, and she got it for a birthday present. So lovely clock for her, which is now repaired and ready to go back. Great to be able to do a simple repair like this for a friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon.